Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What a time to be alive. Or should I say, what a time to be an employee. Because the world of work, it is not what it used to be. Jobs are disappearing, roles are evolving, and the biggest reason behind this shift is artificial intelligence. एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी जो सिर्फ मशीन्स को स्मार्ट नहीं बनाती बल्कि ह्यूमंस को रिप्लेस करने लगी है. From fresh graduates to experienced professionals, from startups to tech giants, AI is rewriting the rules of employment. In this video, we will uncover what jobs are being replaced, what new roles are emerging, and most importantly, how can you survive the thrive in this AI powered future. Let's dive in. Welcome to an era where artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It is a force reshaping how we live, work, and earn. Today, being employed is not just what it used to be. AI is not just the future, it is already here. Jobs are changing faster than ever. और इस नए जमाने में सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क काफी नहीं है. You need smart adaptation. Ever wondered where jobs like travel agents, typists, call center executives, data entry level clerks, data entry operators went? AI and automation ने इन roles को almost vanish कर दिया है because AI does not need lunch breaks. It does not make typos and it never asks for a raise. You think creativity is safe? That if you are a designer, a writer, or a developer, AI will not touch your job? Think again. आज के ज़माने में even the most creative professions are feeling the pressure. Graphic designer, once in high demand, now compete with platforms like Midjourney that can generate stunning visuals from just a few words. Writers, faced with tools like ChatGPT that can draft blogs, scripts, even poetry in seconds. Coders, AI models like GitHub Copilot are writing cleaner, faster code than many junior developers. कल तक जो काम एक पूरी टीम करती थी, स्टोरी बोर्ड्स, कंटेंट ड्राफ्ट्स, वायर फ्रेम्स, टेस्टिंग, आज वो काम एक सिंगल एआई टूल कर रहा है, एंड दैट टू इन मिनट्स. और सबसे बड़ा शॉक, क्लाइंट्स एंड कंपनीज आर ओके विथ इट बिकॉज इट इज चीपर, फास्टर एंड स्केलेबल. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट ऑटोमेशन, दिस इज क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रप्शन. आपका इमेजिनेशन अभी भी वैल्यूएबल है बट ओनली इफ यू नो हाउ टू कोलैबोरेट विद एआई, not compete with it. Because in the world of AI, creativity alone is not enough. You need to be creative, strategic, and tech smart. But it is not all bad news. Yes, AI is replacing some jobs, but at the same time, it is creating roles we never imagined. Roles like prompt engineers, AI ethics officer, automation architects, AI data curator, prompt engineers, people who know exactly how to talk to AI to get the best results. AI ethics officers, professionals making sure AI systems are fair, unbiased, and humane. Automation architects, the brain behind smart systems that run businesses on autopilot. ये जॉब टाइटल्स 5 साल पहले सुनने में भी अजीब लगते हैं, बट टुडे दे आर नॉट जस्ट रियल, दे आर इन हाई डिमांड. और ये सिर्फ स्टार्ट है. एज एआई ग्रोज, न्यू रोल्स विल कीप इमर्जिंग, roles that require a mix of tech, creativity, and human judgment. The future does not belong to the most experienced, it belongs to the most adaptable. तो अगर आप नए स्किल सेट सीखने के लिए रेडी हो, यू विल नॉट जस्ट सर्वाइव द एआई वेव, यू विल राइड इट टू द टॉप. अब जॉब्स मिलना इतना डिफिकल्ट क्यों हो गया है? Why are freshers struggling to even get a call back? Because globally hiring is slowing down. Companies are either freezing recruitment or cutting headcounts, and the ones still hiring, they are becoming extremely selective. Youth unemployment is hitting alarming levels. Graduates with degrees, skills, internship, सब कुछ होने के बाद भी they are not able to land even entry level jobs. Job portals are flooded. Every opening gets hundreds of applications, but response, no. silent inboxes, ghosted, follow ups. It is not just about qualifications anymore. It is about relevance, timing, and the right fit in a changing market. And in this AI powered world, the definition of right fit is evolving faster than universities can update their curriculum. So, if you are feeling stuck, you are not alone. This is not a personal failure, it is a global shift. So, in an AI driven world, what really makes you irreplaceable? It is not your degree, it is not even years of experience, because AI can learn faster than you and can scale wider than any resume can show. But there are four powerful skills जिनके बिना AI भी fail हो जाता है, and only humans can truly master them. First, critical thinking. AI can give you data, but it cannot decide what truly matters. आपका सोचने का तरीका, your judgment, that's your edge. Second, AI literacy. आपको AI रिप्लेस करे या एम्पावर करे, ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप AI को कितना समझते हो. The more you know how to work with it, the safer your job becomes. Third, creative problem solving. AI follows logic, but real world problems need creativity, thinking beyond patterns, breaking rules when needed. And fourth, collaboration. AI does not build trust, lead teams, or understand human emotions. You do. Relationships, empathy, teamwork, these are irreplaceable. ये फोर स्किल्स सिर्फ humans के पास है for now. And if you double down on this, you will be future proof, not just for the next job, but for the next decade. The smartest workers of today, they don't compete against AI, they collaborate with it. समझने वाली बात ये है, AI is not here to replace your value. It is here to amplify it. Let AI handle the boring, repetitive, time consuming tasks like data entry, report summaries, scheduling, basic coding, and app. You focus on what only a human can bring to the table: strategy, empathy, judgment, or vision. Think of AI as a power tool, just like a calculator which didn't end math. AI isn't ending jobs, it is changing how jobs are done. जो लोग AI के साथ चलना सीख जाते हैं, they are not just surviving, they are leading. So stop fearing AI, start partnering with it, because in this new world of work, collaboration with AI is your biggest competitive edge. आज का golden rule simple है: upskill or fade out. This is not just a motivational line, it is the reality of the job market. The job you are dreaming about, it probably doesn't even exist yet. And the job you are doing today, it might not exist tomorrow. Technology is evolving at lightning speed. AI, automation, data, they are reshaping industries, redefining roles. तो अगर आप वही पुराने स्किल्स लेके आगे बढ़ने की सोच रहे हो, you will be left behind. But there is good news too. Learning is your superpower. If you keep learning, keep adapting, you will never be obsolete. The most successful people in the AI age won't be the smartest ones. They will be the ones who learn the fastest. So invest in yourself, learn, unlearn, relearn, because in this new world, that is the only way to stay ahead. This is not the end of jobs. This is a reboot, a system upgrade, एक नए वर्जन का वर्क प्लेस जहाँ फिक्स्ड रोल्स आर फेडिंग एंड कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग इज द न्यू नॉर्मल. Old titles, old rules, they are being replaced by agility, adaptability, and innovation. So instead of fearing the change, let us embrace it. Yes, AI is reshaping the job market, but it is also opening doors we did not know even existed. Adapt, upskill, thrive. Because the future does not belong to the fearful, it belongs to the future ready. The job market didn't die, it evolved, and now it's your turn. So, what did we learn? The job market is not broken, it is transforming. AI is not here to steal your future, it is here to redefine it. And the only way forward is to learn, unlearn, and relearn. आज का एम्प्लॉय सिर्फ स्किल बेस्ड नहीं है, फ्यूचर फोकस्ड होना चाहिए. So stay curious, stay sharp, and remember, the best way to beat uncertainty is to upgrade yourself. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video.